What's up, guys? Mr. Allen C taking a look at a time clock right here, but this is advanced. It's a standalone fingerprint time attendance machine. Time clock is so advanced, you can even see your fingerprint live on screen while you punch in for work. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so in the box, we have the unit itself for punching in and out of work. You can see the fingerprint scanner here. It also reads RFID cards, and you can type in your employee number. That's another option. We have the plug-ins of the standard AC jack on the wall, standard electrical outlet, and we have a USB stick included. Very cool. Also have the user guide right here and mounting screws if you want to mount it to the wall. Bottom we see the USB port where you can plug in the USB stick and retrieve data, as well as the power cord plug-in slot. When an employee approaches the device, it says welcome. You see the date and time, and you have the option to check in. So you can either scan your RFID card, scan your fingerprint right here, or type in your employee number. So let's say you've scanned that, you want to go on break, you hit start break, and you braked in. So that punched break time in. Then after your set amount of time, end break. There you go, it's recorded. The boss will know if you went over or anything. And then, let's say we want to go into the menu. Take a look. There's different time rules, user management, reports for Excel that can be exported on that included USB stick, data management, setup, and system info. Under management, you can set different things like overtime after how many hours, lunchtime, how many minutes, daily OT after, and cutoff time. If we go to user management, this is where you can set up new users and more. You can upload users, download users, add users. Let's say they're transferring to a new branch. You can download the user and upload it over at that other location that has this same unit. All right, I'm not going to show you this with my fingerprint for security reasons. I don't want my fingerprints out there, but if you approach this and you put your finger on here, it's going to show you your fingerprint on screen in real time, and then it will say checked in, or it'll say remove and try again. And as you move your finger, it's going to show your fingerprint moving. It is so cool. I just did it, and I was very amused. This is high tech. To Excel reports, and you can see we got a punch record right there, a pay period report, and break time report, which can all be exported to the USB stick through this slot on the bottom of the device and the included USB stick. There's another spot called data management. So here's some different logs you can review, and you can also clear the logs and delete logs. There's a setup option. So go to system, you can set the language, sleep mode, all sorts of different options here. Voice out, lockout, screensavers. You can turn those on if you want. Might be a cool option. We got comm management, right? And right here we have init system. So we'll clean enroll, we'll clean glog continue. So you can clear some data there if you like. Lots of good features on here. Everything you need for a time clock. This is highly sophisticated and high tech. I love the fingerprint reader. Really simplifies things. Appreciate you guys checking this out, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.